Dogs possess a remarkable ability to detect earthquakes before they happen, a skill noted throughout history by their unusual barking and howling preceding tremors. While skepticism exists regarding this phenomenon, research suggests the explanation lies in their exceptional hearing. Dogs, particularly those with erect ears, can perceive low-frequency infrasound waves generated by shifting tectonic plates, sounds imperceptible to human ears. These infrasonic vibrations often precede seismic activity by minutes or even hours, providing a crucial early warning. The American Kennel Club acknowledges anecdotal evidence of this ability, encouraging further research into canine earthquake prediction. Reactions vary among dogs. Some exhibit anxious behavior, while others might bark incessantly or seek close proximity to their owners. Further research, including studies by seismologists and animal behaviorists, is needed to fully understand this phenomenon and explore its potential for early warning systems. Dogs can detect diabetic attacks by sensing subtle changes in a person's breath and skin caused by fluctuating blood sugar levels. Their extraordinary sense of smell allows them to identify specific volatile organic compounds released due to imbalances in glucose metabolism. This ability rivals the sensitivity of sophisticated medical breathalyzers. Organizations like the national non-profit organization Diabetes Dogs train service dogs specifically to alert their human partners to these changes, often before symptoms become apparent, providing valuable time for intervention and preventing severe complications. These highly trained canines learn to associate specific scents with hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, providing crucial warnings, such as nudging or barking. The training process is rigorous and time-consuming, requiring specialized skills and handlers. Canine olfactory abilities are also crucial in protecting honeybee populations. The American Foulbrood bacterial disease decimates bee colonies, impacting global food production due to reduced pollination. Trained dogs are increasingly employed by beekeepers and agricultural departments to detect AFB-infected hives rapidly and efficiently. A trained canine can inspect hundreds of hives in a fraction of the time compared to a human inspector, allowing for prompt treatment and containment of outbreaks. The National Honey Board notes that this canine detection method is improving efficiency and reducing the spread of this serious disease, preserving vital bee populations. Dogs exhibit a remarkable sensitivity to weather changes, leveraging their keen hearing and smell. They can perceive subtle barometric pressure shifts, distant thunder, and even the electrical charges preceding lightning strikes, phenomena often imperceptible to humans. This acute awareness enables them to predict approaching storms, often exhibiting behavior such as seeking shelter or becoming restless before a storm's arrival. The ability isn't innate. Dogs refine their weather-predicting skills with experience, becoming increasingly adept at interpreting environmental cues over time. Dogs demonstrably sense human sadness, utilizing their sophisticated sensory capabilities to detect emotional cues. They can discern changes in vocal tone, body language, and even subtle shifts in pheromone levels, all indicators of emotional distress. This ability is rooted in their highly developed capacity for social interaction and emotional intelligence. Neuroscientific studies suggest that dogs' brains process human emotions in regions similar to those responsible for human emotional processing. Their capacity to provide comfort and emotional support during times of sadness is well documented and increasingly recognized in animal-assisted therapy settings. Dogs' heightened sense of smell allows them to detect pregnancy very early on, often before a human even suspects. They perceive hormonal shifts, subtle alterations in body odor, and even minute changes in gait and behavior associated with pregnancy. Many expectant mothers report their dogs exhibiting heightened protectiveness or unusual behaviors in the weeks leading up to delivery, often anticipating the onset of labor. This acute awareness is attributed to their highly sensitive olfactory receptors, capable of detecting minute changes in hormonal profiles. Dogs, particularly those specifically trained for this purpose, can assist individuals with epilepsy. These service dogs can be trained to detect subtle changes in a person's behavior or physiological signs preceding a seizure, allowing for proactive safety measures. Some dogs can predict seizures up to 20 minutes in advance, providing valuable time for the individual to find a safe place and potentially take preventative medication. In addition, they are trained to provide protective support during a seizure, preventing injury and alerting caregivers. Organizations dedicated to training seizure alert dogs emphasize the importance of specialized training programs for both the dog and handler. Dogs possess an extraordinary ability to sense human fear. This isn't simply a matter of perceiving fear's outward manifestations. Their highly developed olfactory system detects the biochemical changes associated with fear responses, such as increased heart rate, sweating, and hormonal shifts. They can detect subtle variations in pheromones, subtle changes in body language, and even facial expressions imperceptible to many humans. While a dog's response to detected fear might vary depending on individual temperament and context, the ability to sense fear itself is firmly established. Dog sensitivity extends to detecting the subtle odors emitted by cancerous cells. Studies have shown that trained dogs can identify the presence of various cancers including lung, breast, and skin cancers via scent detection, often from breath or skin samples. The odors associated with cancerous cells differ from those of healthy cells, a difference that a dog's highly sensitive nose can discern. While not yet widely used in clinical settings, research into this application continues, exploring its potential as a non-invasive diagnostic tool. Highly trained canines are increasingly utilized by pest control professionals for termite and bedbug detection. Their exceptional sense of smell allows them to pinpoint even minute infestations, often before they become significant problems. Dogs can detect the characteristic odors of termite colonies and bedbugs, even within wall cavities or hidden spaces, allowing for targeted treatment and preventative measures. While the accuracy of canine pest detection is a subject of ongoing discussion, the use of well-trained dogs offers a potentially effective and efficient approach to early pest detection.